Hello everybody. So in the last session we have discussed about this counter app. Along with this, handling the user input or like we were talking about handling the user input or event handling. So with this particular series itself, I just want to give you one more idea. There is one more thing that you can do, and that is a two-way data binding. Okay, so how exactly this two-way data binding can work? Let me just help you out to understand this. Okay, let's say for example, uh, I just want to create one input box over here. Let's say later on, we might be taking some input from the user, and this input we want to display along with this also. Sometimes you must have seen that many times you type some card number, and just below that particular card number will be displayed. Okay, so that kind of activities can be done by this two-way data binding. So let me just give you the idea how you will be doing it. So here I will be displaying some data. So the data that I'm writing inside this input box, that should be displayed over here. So what I will be doing is I will be creating the model first. So this is called a model. Okay, I'm creating the data or the model, whatever you call it. So I'm creating this particular thing, and this is initially it is blank. Okay, now once you come here, you are saying that I want to display this particular message over here, and you want to bind this particular model which is available here. You want to bind this model with this input type. Okay, input box. So how you do this? We have v model directive for it. So here you can simply specify the message, and now it is connected. Okay, just a minute. Let me show you this. So initially when you come to this application, you can see you have this model. So when you will start typing something, let's say this is my text, you can see whatever I am typing over here, this is also getting rendered over here as well. So this is because of the V model. So I hope this small thing is also you are getting. So thank you very much. In my next session, I will be showing you few more concepts, guys.